What is going on, guys? Welcome. Today is nice and cloudy day for a perfect POV drive video. So I will take you on a quick spin in a 16 M4 F82 competition. Let's buckle up and get rolling. And of course, we're gonna talk about something. I'm not just gonna drive and let you sit there without having this virtual conversation. So what I wanted to touch on today is the stage 1 tune on the car, on my car. It's a MHD. It is very easily can be done by yourself, but I think this is the way that the car should have come from factory, of course, because these F8X chassis, they have really powerful low-end torque, but the high end is lacking. But now it just keeps pulling in every gear. Whoa, thank goodness for good brakes in this car. Even the that's crazy, even the storage popped open. My phone went flying and everything. Yep, well, that was definitely meant to happen, just to show you the how good these 6-piston front calipers are. But yeah, so again, I think that stage 1 tune helps really with the high-end torque that these cars just don't have it from factory. And I'll have a road here coming up where I can open it up and show you the 5th and the 6th gear, but I think this is really where it helps. I really glad I got it done on this car. And I also, as far as mechanical mods go, I have a single mid-pipe, VRSF single mid-pipe done, which sounds pretty darn awesome. Let me see if you can hear it. See? It sounds so much louder, guys, always. There you go, a little pop. Always sounds louder in real life than it is on the video. But right here we're gonna turn and I'm gonna open it up a little bit for you guys. Not too much so that I don't spill my Starbucks over here. But yeah, definitely really happy I did this. Stage 1. No regrets whatsoever. We're gonna go around this car right here and we're gonna open it up. We're gonna send it in Mexico, of course. Only in Mexico. Alright, here we go. Little curvy road as well. And I'm on winter tires, guys, so winter tires in comfort suspension setting. So don't expect me to drive like I'm on a track right now. Actually, let's pop everything in M2, and then there's gonna be one more turn coming up with no lights, where we're gonna send it really hard, traction off, and it's most powerful setting ever. But let's hear the mid pipe again. It doesn't sound all that good inside, guys, but outside it sounds so good. Little gunfire, shots fired. Uh-oh. Come on. Alright, right here we're gonna turn and we're gonna send it right here. No traffic on the street, no lights. My favorite one to rip it. Here we go. This will do. Alright guys, we're gonna cut the video right here. Hope you liked it, and as usual, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.